In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Canva Live if you want to make your presentations more interactive without relying on separate polling tools or chat apps. Canva has a built-in feature that makes the whole process much smoother. It's especially useful for trainings, lectures, team meetings, and live presentations where you want your audience to respond in real time. To get started, open your web browser and go to canva.com. Once you're signed in and on the Canva home dashboard, look to the top right corner and click Create a Design. This is where you'll begin setting up the presentation you want to use with Canva Live. When the menu appears, choose Presentation 16 by 9. This gives you the standard widescreen presentation format, which works well on projectors, laptops, and shared screens. After the editor opens, go to the left sidebar and click Design. From there, choose a presentation style or template that fits your topic. When you select one, Canva will apply it to your slides and you'll see your presentation begin to take shape in the editor. Once your slide deck is ready, move to the top right corner and click Present. This opens the presentation options and lets you switch from editing mode into presentation mode. You can keep the setting on presenter view or standard, depending on how you want to manage the session. Then click the purple Present button to open your slides in full screen. If you chose Presenter View, you'll see a separate Presenter Control window. In that presenter panel, look for the Canva Live tab on the right side and click it, then select Start New Session. Canva will immediately create a live session for your presentation and generate a unique code for your audience to join. This is what connects your viewers to the interactive part of the presentation. Next, invite your audience to join by asking them to scan the QR code on the screen or visit canva.me in their mobile browser. Once they enter the 6-digit session code, they'll be able to send questions and comments directly into your live session. On your side, those messages will appear in your private presenter view. You can scroll through them, review them as they come in, and select a specific comment to highlight on the main presentation screen for everyone to see. When you're wrapping up, take a final look through any remaining audience comments in your presenter panel. Then, to close the live interaction properly, go back to the presenter controls and click End Session. Confirm the action, and Canva will deactivate the session code so no one else can continue joining. That's how to use Canva Live from start to finish. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.